Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, probably into Thursday. I wanted to briefly show you this because we have an amazing contrast, or is it a picture of the future? This is what I'm talking about. So here is Idalia, a developing tropical cyclone that we think for sure will be a hurricane, but now indications are it might even become a major hurricane. We've talked about this through the years, through the decades, that even if you don't have the numbers, but if you're looking at a satellite picture and if you don't know anything else, but you start seeing in the infrared satellite picture a distinct eye, you know that a hurricane is just about a Category 3. Do you see that? And this is Franklin, just about ready to become a Category 3. Amazing that these two are within 1,200 miles of each other. And I would not be surprised at all if by Tuesday night, so 2 nights from now, this satellite picture and eye looks like how Franklin has become. So you might be wondering, why aren't we talking more about Franklin? Don't worry, folks. We have felt very confident about Franklin, and it's going to make the turn. The longitude will be at about 71 to west, so that's about 600 miles east of us, as a Category 3, might even become a Category 4 hurricane. But back to Idalia. These are the best hurricane models. I'm not showing you all of the outliers, but these are the best ones that we use for forecasting. And actually, for 2.5 days out, this is some amazing consensus. Now, if you're on the Gulf Coast and you're just west of this versus just east, so we're talking about a difference of 10 miles, that's going to be a difference of just a couple feet to maybe a 15-foot storm surge. So on the Gulf Coast, any wiggle or wobble will have major implications for us because it's coming from the Gulf Coast and it will at least not be as strong. The implications won't be as significant as long as it sticks along with that general forecast that we're talking about. I think you can see why now all of the Florida Peninsula is under hurricane watch, because just a slight deviation off to the right is going to cause a problem even for folks in Tampa. Meteorologically, we're watching what's called a shortwave drop to the south. As it does, that's going to cause the shear to drop, decrease. That's bad over the eastern portion of the Gulf of Mexico. The farther west this maybe makes landfall, the stronger it's going to be, but even farther off to the east, even at Cedar Key, we might see a Category 3. There's Lake City, and then the rest of us beyond. So much to cover. We're going to be doing that for you in detail as we go through, with at least updates every 3 hours through Wednesday night. For now, we'll watch for warnings and watches on Monday. We'll have until sunset Tuesday to be ready, and then Wednesday will be the day of impacts from dawn to dusk.